Hey guys, I'm going to do this quick video here on removing a dashboard out of a W140 body. This is a 300 SE from 91 or 93, something like that. This dash we are using from this parts car for our buddy Sean's 93 S-Class 500 SEL. And first time ripping into a Mercedes, but there is quite a bit to remove. Actually, it's not too bad. Gonna want to start with removing the stuff under the dash, like the carpeted knee bolsters. I left that one back on because that was kind of a pain, but I also removed the center console here, which if you pry out the vent that's back here, there'll be a couple screws back here, and let's see if I can get it. There's going to be a couple plastic pieces that go here and here on each side. You're going to want to pull those screws out. They are hex, and right around the shifter there, I pulled those. I'm not sure if I had to or not. Actually, yeah, definitely needed to remove those. And then the whole thing pulled right out. Up here, I believe there might have been some screws for it. I'm not too sure, but you're going to want to pull that wood grain trim right out from the middle. Basically everything that's attached to the dashboard you're going to want to remove, like the vents. There's bolts holding the dash to the car up in the corners. One up there, one down there, same as this side. Up here, disconnect these from the HVAC control unit. I ended up dropping down the steering column to make life a little easier, just from up here. Got the vents pulled. Gonna want to disconnect your speakers, of course. Remove all of these switches, various Phillips head screws, and let's see, 10 millimeters for the ones holding the dash to the car. And then on the inside here, there's a couple that were 8 mil. You want to watch out for all the hidden fasteners in this dash though. You don't want to break nothing. And I left the glove box in here. The connector that goes up in here was a little bit of a pain, but I kind of just twisted it out with a flathead screwdriver. And when you get this out of here, you're going to want to reach in, disconnect these two wires. Still learning, but I think this is probably for the airbag, the red one. Not 100% sure. Obviously, disconnect the battery and let the car sit. Don't want any residual power and cause an airbag to go off. That's the main reason we're changing out the dash in the 500, because the airbag deployed and blew the dash apart. So now we're gonna replace it with this one here, which is kind of like a dark brown color rather than black on the 500. But parts are hard to come by, and this is what we got, so we're gonna use it. But I think that's about everything on the process I could think of. Just a lot of connectors, hidden screws. Gonna want to take care of all those. What I did was I just kind of pulled on the dash every now and then to see where something might have been hiding, and work kind of slow but strategically to pull what is still connected, and have some patience. It isn't actually that bad.